Hey, okay, Rebecca. Hey, how you doing? I have your work up somewhere. Well, both pieces. I think you have two pieces. So, okay, first thing I want to mention is this. This is really good. I love the experimentation, and I really like what you're doing with the layout. There's one thing I want to stop right now because it looks like you missed a really big requirement, and that's the typography, the type requirements that are located within the Amethyst Bay style guide. If you go to the last page, right down here on the left, you can see that we're kind of restricted to using only Arial, Arial bold italic, and Arial for body copy subheads and headlines respectively. So we don't unfortunately have the luxury of using this kind of type treatment. Well, I shouldn't say that. You can, but you're restricted to sticking with the Arial type of the given styles in the Arial type family. Okay, so that's first thing. The second thing is I'm really questioning this use of triangles. Now, in visual communication, a triangle is showing three pointed edges, and a pointed edge in terms of visual communication means danger, or maybe something is amiss, caution at the very least. So I'm going to question the use of these in a resort ad because it adds like this kind of almost an undefinable visual cautionary, almost like a caution sign that's really creating this visual stress. It's almost saying stay away visually, but it is such a warm and inviting composition itself. So there's some real interplay going on, some inner turmoil within the composition itself. Wonderful color usage. I love the background color with this. That was a great choice. Images themselves look like they're kind of low res. This is a damaged image. I wouldn't use this image because it's so odd with the cucumber eyeballs and these bug eyes that no matter where you place an image like this in a composition, the eye is going to go right to it just because of these bug eyes. So I would really caution using that image. Maybe swap that out for something a little bit more subtle. This image here, I think I see what you're doing. I think you're trying to put a kind of a purple cast on this image with to draw a continuation with the logo, and I understand that. I caution against that. I wouldn't do it. I would just take the color cast out of this completely and present it as such. Okay, typographically, I think this is really done very well. However, you broke your left margin here to fit this in, and that is just destroying this beautiful left margin that you've established. So caution there. I would suggest that you use a grid in your layout. The same thing with this. Where are we? Oh yeah, this is the other one. Yeah, same thing. Basically the same thing. It's the same layout, just a little bit different manipulation with the images. So same comments basically hold true here. Okay. So awesome job. Thanks very much. If you have any questions, feel free to get with me. Good job. Thank you.